Hi, I'm Sophia from QRCodeKIT. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom QR code with your logo. First, choose the type of QR code you want to create, like a website, menu, business card, campaign page, or any other destination. Then, open the design options. Here you can customize the look of your QR code, adjust the colors, change the style, and add your brand logo in the center. A custom QR code helps your campaign feel more professional, more recognizable, and more connected to your brand. Just make sure the QR code stays easy to scan. Use enough contrast, keep the design clean, and always test it before publishing. With QRCodeKIT, your QR codes are dynamic, so you can update the destination later without changing the printed code. Create a custom QR code with your logo, keep it on brand, and manage it easily with QRCodeKIT. With QRCodeKIT, bring any QR code idea to life.